Good day, viewers. In this video we are going to learn temperature conversion between degree Fahrenheit to Celsius scale and to Kelvin scale. So please consider supporting my channel by liking this video, subscribing, and then sharing it with the other students. So let's get started. The question says convert minus 40 degree Fahrenheit, 70 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius to degree centigrade and Kelvin scale. So we will first convert it from degree Fahrenheit to degree centigrade. Let's get started using this relation. Degree centigrade equals to 5/9 open bracket Fahrenheit scale minus 32 close bracket. So this is the relation that we are going to be using to convert from degree Fahrenheit to degree centigrade. So let's solve this one. C equals to 5 divided by 9 open bracket. The value of F now is minus 40, then minus 32 as well, and then close the bracket. So which will give us C equals to 5/9 open bracket minus 40 and minus 32 will give us minus 72. So now let me press my calculator. 5 times minus 72 will give us 360 divided by 9 will give you equals to minus 40 degree centigrade. Now I have converted from degree Fahrenheit to degree centigrade and Kelvin. So now let me convert this minus 40 degree centigrade to Kelvin. So I will use this relation, temperature in Kelvin equals to temperature in degree centigrade plus 273. So now temperature in Kelvin equals to temperature in degree centigrade, that is minus 40 degree centigrade minus 40 plus 273. Now I will have T equals to minus 40 plus 273, which will give me 233 Kelvin. Now I have converted this minus 40 degree Fahrenheit into degree centigrade as minus 40 degree centigrade and into this